The trees. Okay. Do you know which season is coming after the spring? Shota? Which season is coming after the spring?
Summer.
Summer, of course. Look, this is the house of the summer. Do you like it?
Yes.
This is the house of the summer.
Yes.
Let's see what do we have here. What is this? Shota?
Butterfly.
How many butterflies do you see in the picture?
1, 2,
So there are
2.
two butterflies. What do you see? What is this? Doris, what is this?
Flower.
And this?
And flower.
How many flowers are?
2.
Two. So we have two butterflies and two flowers. What is this here? Where are you going during the summer? Are you going to vacation with your parents?
Yes.
Yes? Where?
Yes. Yes.
Where, son? Where do you go?
Or we can go in the seaside.
To the seaside. And what are you doing there? To the seaside.
We're
Yeah? Are you swimming?
yes.
Of course. Okay. Are you sunbathing on the beach?
Yes.
Okay. So you have much fun with your parents?
Yes.
Okay. And after that, which season is coming? Do you know? After the summer. Can you guess? Daddy?
Autumn.
Autumn. What is going on during the autumn?
Starts raining.
It starts raining. What is happening else with the weather? Can you see properly, Shota? Chrissy? Thank you. Tony?
The leaves are falling down
From where?
from the trees.
From the trees. Marco, what else is happening during the autumn? How is the weather? Is it hot?
No.
No. What is going on? Alex?
Cold.
It's starting to get cold. It's what? Yes. What are these here? What is this here? There.
Cloud.
Clouds, of course. Let's count the clouds. How many are there?
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
That's 3.
What is this here?
Mushroom.
Mushrooms. Let's count them.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. And what is this here that is falling down from the trees?
Leaf.
Pardon?
Leaves.
Leaves. Let's count them too.
1, 2, 3.
And what is this? Daddy?
Apple.
What is this? Shota? What is this?
Pepper.
Pear. The pear. Repeat. Pear.
Pear.
And what is this? Daddy?
Carrot.
This is a carrot. Do you know that some of the vegetables and the fruits are growing up during the autumn? Do you notice? For example, some of these are growing up during the autumn. Let's repeat them.
Carrot. Carrot.
Pear.
Apple.
Apple. Okay. Thank you. And after that, which season is coming? Shota?
Winter.
Winter. What is happening during the winter? Who can tell? Lindsay, what is happening? How is the weather?
Cold.
It's cold. Sonny, what else?
It's snowing.
It's snowing. What else? Ariane? Who is coming during the winter? Do you know? Shota?
Snowflakes.
Okay. And who is bringing the presents? Yes?
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus. Okay. What is this here? Do you see?
Yes.
What is
Santa Claus.
it? These are clouds. Let's count them.
1,
Everybody.
2, 3, 4.
And what is this here? what is this?
Snowflake.
Snowflakes. Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And what is this? Snowflakes again. Let's count them too. 1, 2, 3, 4. So do you see in each season, here we have 4 snowflakes, 4 clouds, 4 snowflakes again. Here we have what? 3 clouds, 3 mushrooms, 3 leaves. Each season, which was the first season? Everybody.
Spring, summer, autumn, winter.
Okay, so they each are coming one by one. They can't be summer and spring at the same time, or winter and summer and spring at the same time, right? Can it be? Can it be cold and you're going to the seaside, for example? Do you think?
No.
Sunny? No, of course.
No.
So they each are coming one by one. Okay. Can we sing one song?
Yes.
Do you remember the song Months of the Year?
Yes.
Okay. Can we sing it?
Yes.
Let's start.
January, February, March, and April, May, June, and July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Oh, these are the months of the year. Fill them with joy and cheer, the months of the year.
Okay, thank you. Now Bingo wants to ask you something. I told you about the fairy and her children. Can we make a present for them? Do you want to make a present for them?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Let's go to the tables and I will tell you what we have to do. Moana?